Pixels twisting through an endless space. Coins like whispers lost in the breeze. Building empires with digital keys. Blockchains hum secrets they can unfold. Promises of fortune and lines of code. A virtual skyline, both sharp and bright. A city that never sleeps day or night. Oh, crypto's calling, it's hard to ignore. A silent anthem knocking on the door. The future's hazy, but shining bold. A treasure map paved in digital gold. The miners dig, but there's no soil deep. Searching for answers where secrets keep. Bits and bytes are the tools they wield in this strange and luminous battlefield. Losing myself in encrypted streams. A tangled web of hopes and dreams. The stars of finance and binary align. But will they guide this heart of mine? Oh, crypto's calling, it's hard to ignore. A silent anthem knocking on the door. The future's hazy, but shining bold. A treasure map paved in digital gold. Losing myself in encrypted streams. A tangled web of hopes and dreams. The stars of finance in binary align. But will they guide this heart of mine? Oh, crypto's calling, it's hard to ignore.